Yes, this is new page from here. As I explained you yesterday, you have to read from here. Pronounce. إن ثمود إن ثمود نون بتغنى إن ثمود أمم لتتلو لتتلو. I'm raising this. Now we are on the third word. Practice this. You have to practice this one. لن ندعو لن ندعو. Now this. لشيء لشيء لشيء. From here. لكن هو الله لكن هو الله هو الله. This one. أفإن مت أفإن مت. This one. وثمود وثمود وثمود. Now this one. لأذبحنه لأذبحنه. Word is zal with thin sound. You need to touch your tongue tip with the upper front two teeth's edge when pronouncing zal. Because this is zal. This is not zal and this isn't za. This is zal. لأذبحنه لأذبحنه لأذبحنه. Understand? So this is the lesson we read yesterday already. So this alif having circle, this is extra alif. You don't need to pronounce it, okay? While making spell or like when making spell or when, in pronunciation. So keep in mind in this lesson where alif having circle, alif is silent. This is extra alif. So أمم لتتلو. And here on noon, there's غنة. لن ندعو. Dal qalqala. Because jerking sound on dal. Dal is from qalqala letters, and whenever qalqala letters come with jazm, you need to read them with qalqala. With jerking sound. So here alif is having circles, means this is extra alif. You don't need to pronounce. Same way, shin connecting with ya. And alif is silent because alif is extra. And when let's come to second line. So let's come to second line. Second line is lakin. Alif is silent again. Huwa Allahu. Now you can check. This lam have to be bold because this is Allah's name, lam. Allah's name is lam, and the previous letter, the letter vav which preceding this lam, having zabar. So whenever previous letter of Allah's names lam having zabar or pesh, then we have to make Allah's names lam bold. And whenever there's zir, then you need to read lam with thin sound. So lakinna huwa Allahu huwa Allahu lakinna huwa Allahu. Now this one again, fa with circle is silent, and the next word is like the other word. أفإن مت ميم with غنة أفإن مت. And here أفإن مت here وثمود وثمود. You have to pronounce stuff from its origin properly. This is it's not seen of squad. Okay, so no visualize. وثمود here. لأذبحنه. After lam there's alif with circle. This is silent. Okay, you don't need to pronounce it. Ha clearly, and ha have to connect with noon. You need to connect ha with noon. لأذبحنه لأذبحنه. Understand? It's enough for today. Okay, see you next time. Allah Hafiz.